Trezor hardware wallets are like the security guards of your crypto world, and keeping them up to date is absolutely key. If you want your funds safe, your device smooth and new features at your fingertips, you've got to embrace those firmware updates. First off, let's talk about why these updates matter. Each update packs security enhancements that shield you from new threats, support for more coins, a shinier interface, and just generally polishes up your wallet's performance. But before you even think about clicking that update button, listen up. The number one rule: make sure you have your wallet backup handy. 12-word recovery seed, 18-word recovery seed, 24-word recovery seed. If something goes wrong during the update, you might have to restore your device from scratch, and without that backup your crypto could be gone for good. I always double-check my backup with Trezor Suite's dry run recovery feature just to be sure. So, how do you actually update? Simple. If Trezor Suite spots a new firmware, you'll see a notification right at the top. Just click Update Now. Or, if you want to do it manually, hit the gear icon, then go to Device Settings Security and look for Update Available. Starting the update is easy. Click Install Firmware, follow the prompts, and keep an eye on your device for confirmation requests. For some older Trezor Model 1 devices, you might need to confirm twice. Trezor Suite shows your progress, so just sit tight and, super important, don't disconnect the device until it's all done. Now, a few risks you should know about. Sometimes, an update can wipe your device, especially if you're switching firmware types, or there's a connection hiccup. If you don't have your backup, don't even think about updating. Instead, use older software or use Electrum to move your funds first. If something does go sideways and your device wipes, it's not the end of the world, as long as you have that backup. Just recover your wallet in Trezor Suite and you're back in business. And always make sure your Trezor Suite is up to date for the smoothest experience. Recent firmware updates come packed with cool stuff. Entropy Check support for base support for Optimism, and even slicker UI tweaks. So here's what I always recommend. Keep firmware updated, keep Trezor Suite updated, guard your backup like it's gold, because it is, and use a solid USB cable to avoid interruptions. For more details or help, check Trezor's official guides or reach out to their chatbot Hal. Stay safe, stay updated, and happy stacking.